Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to work on our writing and forming a sentence. Today we're going to work on the who is doing what and where are they. So for who, it names words that give identity. So a person, an animal, creatures, characters. So a mom, dad, dog, a cat, is doing. So this is when we talk about verbs that give a description, an action. Describes an action. So the dog is in, are, has, have. And where is the location? Words that describe places and positions. Countries, cities, buildings, rooms. So, for example, the boy is at home. The boy is in his room. So now we're going to look at a picture, talk about it, and then we're going to figure out what is it doing, and where is it. Okay. So let's see. I see a sky. I see grass. I see a truck. Let's find out what is it. So let's look at these 4 visuals to help us if we need it. So is it a fire truck? Is it a truck, a train, or a plane? Sorry, I forgot to add one thing. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to add boxes. So we're going to talk about what it is it doing, and where. So we already said that it is a truck. So the truck. What is the truck doing? Is the truck flying? The truck is riding? The truck is driving? Or the truck is sailing? So we see that it's on a road. So when you're on a road, that means you are driving. So it's driving. Last, we're going to talk about where. Where is the truck driving? Is it driving on the tracks, in the sky, at the hospital, or on a road? Good. If you said on the road, you're correct. So now we have our sentence. We have the what, we have what it's doing, and where. So now I'm going to type the sentence, but you guys are going to write the sentence on paper. So the truck is driving on the road. So that's my sentence. So with us looking at the picture and talking about it, we're able to come up with our sentence. And you guys have the visuals to help you. So what you're going to do now, you're going to complete this activity. It might be a different picture, but it will still be the what is it doing, and where. And you can type the sentence in, but I also want you to write the sentence in your notebook, take a picture, and upload it, please. Thank you, and I hope this helps.